what's up? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sitting down with you guys to give you my thoughts on the Beachwaver. If you know anything about me, if you've watched any of my videos, you know I love a good soft beach wave, some curls. I very rarely wear my hair straight. I just don't, it's just not me. Like I'm not into it. So right now I have like hella hair. I have hand-tied hair extensions in done by my friend Bridget at Basic Hair Page. I will link her down below. She is wonderful. She's in the Philadelphia area if you're interested. And these are Zala hair extensions. So I have about 220 grams of hair on my head. It's a lot of hair to manage, a lot of hair to style. So when it comes to curling my hair, I want the easiest way possible. Today I'm going to be using the Holiday Edition Limited Edition B1 Glitter Beachwaver in pink. She is so cute. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It also comes in black. This is 1 inch, which is perfect for like a little bit of a tighter curl, which is ideal for me because I don't want to have to style my hair every day just because there's so much of it. So when I style it with this and kind of let it fall through like a couple days, it looks amazing and it stays better than like say a thicker barrel, which I also own the Beachwaver Pro and I think 1 1/4 inch, which I also love. But let's get into styling this and I can show you how it works and let's go. I'm gonna section my hair off. I have 3.5 wefts in my hair right now. I'm probably just gonna 3.5 wefts, 3.5 rows. And I'm gonna just section off so that the bottom 2 are out and about. Take in some handy dandy little clip. And I'm gonna pull all that hair forward and just brush through it to make sure that there's no knots. And again, this is the Zala 20-inch hair in Sunkissed. Yeah, Sunkissed and Snickers highlights. And I really like it. This is my second set so far. I kind of like did the first one in on my own. That was 100% my own problem. I kept using the Revlon dryer on it and I don't recommend that you do that, especially not on extensions. It's really hot and like I said, I'm lazy. I want the easiest way out. So like, this is it. But this, I probably should have mentioned, I was just prepping my hair with Olaplex oil. And my dog is gonna yell outside the door now. So I just prepped my hair with Olaplex oil, which has a heat protectant in it. If your oil does not state that it has a heat protectant or isn't meant to be a heat protectant, do not use it on your hair before heat. You are literally just gonna deep fry your hair. I'm just taking a section of my hair and I'm just gonna run over this really quick just to get the whole section. I'm going about halfway. And I'm just going to spin this up. And by the way, I'm doing this in a viewfinder. I'm not even using a mirror for this. That's literally how easy this is. And I just slide it down and then move upwards. There's another way you could do this straight from the bottom, but I find that this, especially with long hair, gives the most bounce to your curl and gives like the most even curl throughout versus like I can show you on the other side. And then also because I have extensions in, so like my shorter layers might pop out. Just a heads up. So like you could go to the bottom and curl up that way, which I know is like how a lot of people use their Beachwaver. And the curl is still really pretty. It's just different, that's all. But I just prefer doing it from the middle because I feel like it stays for a longer period of time. I don't know why. I feel like when I curl from the bottom, just the weight of the hair just kind of like drags it down. I always bring the clamp back around to where the buttons are just because it's easier when you're kind of trying to figure this out, especially if you're just first learning. And you want to put the clamp so that your hair is not on top. I've seen some people kind of like do it in a weird way that'll crimp it. That's definitely not the look you want to go for. And you don't have to hold it for long either. It curls like immediately. my piece is like flying out the window. Anyway, so I'm gonna let those curls sit. And then I already curled this piece. Let me get that out of the way. And then for this side, same thing. You're gonna wanna use, why did that just go dark? Same thing, you're gonna wanna use the right button. Clamp. This is literally the easiest thing, and it allows me to do my hair so much faster, especially when I have all this hair. Like, it's just really excessive to use like a wand or a regular curling iron or even my straightener, you know, like I just don't feel like doing it. This literally does it for me, and I love that. I love that for me. God, what else am I gonna draw? From what I can see in my viewfinder, I have all of these two sides. I'm just gonna put this to the back and let down my top layer. Let me get started. So for my bang area, I like to pull the pieces like straight out when I curl, and I kind of like tilt it this way. Just because, like, as you can see, like when this cools, like it'll give more of that curtain bang effect. I do like that this has the option to change the temperature on it, because there are some irons that's literally just like turn it on, fuck around and find out. You know, I've owned so many curling irons throughout the years. None of them have been this easy. I don't think I've ever loved a curling iron as much as I love my Beachwavers, to be honest with you. And I'm not exaggerating when I tell you that I've probably owned like at least 30 curling irons. Like, it is some ridiculous number, and I still have most of them. Like, it's not like they didn't, you know, go bad or don't work, or that like I dislike them. I think I've only ever really came across like one that I really disliked, and it was one of those like bubble wands that just made your curls look like shit, and they kind of look like anal beads. Yeah, not a fan. Okay, so from what I can see, there are no more straight pieces. I'm gonna go back in with my Olaplex oil, and I'm just gonna put a couple drops, maybe like 2 drops in my hand. I don't need much, just because I used it when I blow dry my hair, you know, beforehand. So I just put that on my hands, and I'm gonna start to break up these curls just with my fingers. You want to try to avoid the root area just because you don't want to make your hair greasy. Get the ends. And I like to like smooth it between my hands just to make sure the oil like really like saturates the hair. Minimal effort, and my hair looks literally amazing. Anybody can do that. I think it's also very friendly, very accessible for people who might have issues with their hands. Maybe like anybody, you know, with carpal tunnel, anybody with like arthritis in their hands. I know personally I have issues with my hands. Styling this much hair in the amount of time that I did and the amount of effort I did, which is like next to none, is such a godsend for me, especially like I'm very busy lately, so I don't have a ton of time. And then these curls also stay. Like, I usually can style my hair like today's Sunday, and my hair should be good until like Wednesday. Maybe I'll need to touch up a piece or two, but like, You can't beat it, honestly. For the price, this is without a doubt my favorite curling. I definitely think that the Beachwaver is totally worth it. It's a great Christmas gift for your loved ones or for yourself. I know that it's sale season, like treat yourself. I don't know about you guys, but I have definitely spent more money on myself with Christmas sales than I have with other people, and I don't know what that says about me, but it's probably not anything good. If you guys do wind up getting one, either for yourself or for a loved one, be sure to use my code down below. I believe it is Alexa Wave, but I will definitely link it or put it right here in this little corner, this corner, wherever it may go. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you guys next time. Be sure to like and subscribe, and happy holidays. Bye guys.